Hi guys, good evening. Can you hear me? Hello. Can you
Yes,
hear
sir.
me?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So we'll start session. Yes. Today topics. First one, Java installations and environment. Environment variables setup. Environment variables setup. Next, second one, Eclipse. Yes, Eclipse. Eclipse setup. Eclipse setup. Next, third one, steps to develop Java application. Steps to develop Java application. Okay, steps to develop Java application. Yes, Java installation and environment variables setup. Next, Eclipse setup. Steps to develop Java application. So these topics we'll discuss today. Yes. Start. Yes. So first, JDK software. You need JDK software. So first, starting with 1.8. Next, we'll go to 1.11. Sir, 1. JDK 8. Next, JDK 9, 11, and 13. So first, we'll start with 8. 8. JDK 8. We'll start with JDK 8. Okay. Next, 9, 11, and 13. See, JDK 8. Yeah, this is JDK 8. Yes, this is already shared to some members as per online team instructions. Share it to some members. Yes, JDK 8 this is. See, JDK 8, Eclipse, or these our class documents. These three things share it to our Gmail ID. Gmail IDs. Sharing to Gmail ID. JDK 8, Eclipse, and your class document. These three things sharing to your Gmail ID. Yes, how to download these things? So these are the softwares: JDK software, Eclipse software, and Java documents. Sharing to your Gmail ID. Yes, go to Google Drive to download it here. Yes, Google Drive, not Gmail. Drive. From the Drive only you can download it. Go to Drive. Here there's a Drive. Google Drive. Go to Drive. Yes, open Google Drive. Open Google Drive. Open Drive. Okay, here open Drive. After opening Google Drive, shared with me option. There is a shared with me option. Shared with me. Okay. First log into your Gmail. First of all, log into Gmail, then Drive. Go to Drive. Log into Gmail. So log into Gmail, then go to Drive. Go to Drive. Go to Google Drive. Yes, here is a shared with me. Here shared with me. Shared with me. Here is shared with me. Here you can see all the softwares. All the softwares. Shared with me. Shared, yes. Open the shared with me. Here you can see softwares. Yes, JDK software. JDK software. Next, Eclipse and Documenter. So JDK software, Eclipse and Documenter. Okay. So this, yes, suppose JDK for example, the download option, right click, Right click downloads. Here right click downloads. Right click download one by one. Download JDK, Eclipse and class document. Here you can see here. Shade with me folder. In this you can see right click download. Right click download. JDK software, JDK software, Eclipse software, Java download all of these things. Once it downloads, yes, all of those things come to downloads folder. Here this is the downloads folder. Downloads. Here you can see. Here you can see download. At downloads folder you can see. At downloads folder you can see all of these things. Downloads folder. Okay. At downloads folder you can see. Downloads folder you can see. Okay. Yes, downloads folder. Yes, at downloads folder. Suppose cont scans. Yes, file for virus. Download anyway. Select this. Suppose it's showing like this. Download anyway. Download anyway. Yes, go to downloads folder. Yes, in downloads folder you can see. Downloads. The folder. Yes, here. Just a minute. Still downloading. Why this much time taken? Okay. Yeah, it will be download here. After downloading, yes, right click, just cut and paste in C drive. C drive, place in the C drive. Here JDK 8. 8 is all. This is JDK 8. 1 second. 1 second. This one. Yes, JDK. This JDK 8. Not this one. 1 second. Touch. C drive. Place in JDK. C drive. Yes. See JDK 8. This JDK 8. Place JDK into C drive. First of all, place the JDK into C drive. Downloads. Okay, downloads folder. Here downloads folder. Okay. Yes, from this. Yes, already copied and pasted. Yes, downloads folder from that. Copy and paste into this location. Yes, after that, what is next? After pasting to C drive, JDK software pasting to C drive. Okay. After placing, double click. Downloading. After downloading JDK software, place in the C drive. Place in the C drive. Yes, just a minute. Is launching, just a minute. That installer launching. Yes, see that launched. Okay. See here from your Google Drive only you can download it. Yes. Yes, I'll share to your Gmail ID only. From Gmail ID, go to Google Drive. From that, downloads. Placing the C drive. After placing the C drive, so double click, double click, double click. Next, double click on Jdk Software. Here, this next option. Next, click on next. Okay, after click on next. 1 second. Already Jdk Software is available in my system. 1 second. Let me remove existing Jdk. Already available. 1 second. See Java C. 1 second. See Java C. Not recognized. I think removed. Yes. C drive. Project program files. Yeah, it's removed. Because again installing, so it's removed. Okay, fine. C drive. Yes. Double click on Jdk. Say yes. Yes, now click on next. See this. Double click on Jdk. Click on next. So next, see this. C drive program file Java Jdk 1.8. Click on next. C drive program files. See here Java folder. Yes. C drive program files. Yes, just it take little bit time only. See the Java folder created. Okay. Java folder created. See Java folder program files. Here Java folder 5:16 p.m. just now created 24/9. Yes, 24. So 24th September 5:16 just now created. Okay. Yes. Open Java folder. You can see JDK. What the JDK correct? After getting JDK, yes, click on next. Yes, installing. So GRE. Yes, extract getting GRE. Okay, GRE. So JDK GRE. So JDK GRE JVM. The difference will discuss next. Wait, I'll explain. 1 second. Same thing prepared in document also. Yes, your class document. This is your Java document. Yes, this is Java installation. Yes, installing Java and path setting. Simple in document very clearly prepared. Just you can follow document steps. Place JDK into C drive. First place JDK into C drive. Double click after double click. Next, close finally. JDK place simple, very simple. It's very simple. Place JDK into C drive. Double click on it. Double click on it. Next, close. See this. So next, see this. Finally close, right? Successful installed. Successful installed. Close. Then installation is done. Okay. Simple, very simple. Place JDK into C drive. Place the JDK into C drive. After double click on it. Next, close. Over. Installation is done. After installing, next you have to set the environment variables for Java. Setting environment variables. See Windows 10 ways. Windows 10 ways. Windows 10. See this PC. Here is this PC. Yes. 1 second. This PC. Here this PC icon. Right click on this PC. Properties. Okay. Right click on this PC. Next properties. Select properties. Select properties. Yes. Properties window. Okay. See. This is properties window. Actually, in your system, it will display something little bit different. Yes, in my system, some settings were changed. Yesterday, some settings were changed. So this showing like these are the properties. These are the properties. but view is different. In your system, view is different. In your system, it shows like this. Like this. Yes. Right click on this PC. Right click on this PC icon, select properties. Once selected properties, you can see this window here. Yes, in your system. Here, this is properties. Here also properties. Both are properties on here. Showing all the OS properties. But view is little bit changed. Yesterday, little bit changed due to some changes. Yes, in your system, you can see like this. Okay, you can see like this. Here, this is advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. Okay, click here. Advanced system settings. You can see this one here. Advanced system settings. You can see this one here. Yes, advanced. So directly I'm searching for going for that. Advanced system settings. See this. Here there's the environment variables. Environment variables. Environment variables. Okay, select this. After this, see this environment variables. See user variables for Menra. Next system variables. There are two things showing here. User variables for Menra. Next system variables. What's the difference? User variable for Menra means Menra is a current login user. Current login. Windows system different logins. Multiple login users you can create. Multiple login users you can create. This is current login. Current login is Menra. Current login is Menra. Okay, even you can see current login, CMD command prompt and open this login ID. Menra is the current login. Yes, the command prompt opens with current login. Yes, users, C drive users, Menra, right? Menra. Menra is the current login. Okay, so this is current login, right? Okay, see user variables for Menra, next system variables. What's the difference? Okay, user variables and system variables. See, if we define Java variables here, only Menra user can use that Java. If we define Java variables here, only Menra, only this user, Menra user can use Java. Other login users cannot. Yes, in Windows system, multiple users can log in. Multiple users. Only current user can use. Suppose if Java variable defined here, at system variables, all login users can use that globally. System level. It's a system level installation. Okay. Yes, if we define variables here, at system variables here, all users, all logins can use the Java software. So Java software is common to all users. Okay. Yes, if we define here, if we define Java variable, Java path, if we set the Java path here, yes, only current user Menra can use that. Others cannot use. Okay. Yes, I will recommend this one here. Recommend is in real time working here. System variables are recommended. Okay, system variables. System variables means yes, system level. Only one time installation that is using by all logins. So go for system variables. At system variable here, system variables. See. So first new go to system variables. Here this is new. Click on new. See variable name. Yes, Java underscore home. Variable name is Java underscore home. Next value. So what's a value? Yes, location of Java location. Java home is equal to here variable value. So what's a value here? So go to Java location C drive program files, Java folder, Jdk 1. This is Java location. C drive, C drive, program files, yes, Java, Jdk. Here you can see. Okay, take this, select this one here. Okay, select this, copy, select it, copy. After copying, go to here, paste here. That's it. Over. Okay, done. Okay, after that, next this is a path variable. Path edit. So editing is adding paths. See, this is Oracle database path added to this. Oracle database paths. So different softwares. Okay. Yes, this is here. Catalan movements. This is Tomcat server path. Next Scala. For Hadoop applications purpose, I'm using Scala. Scala added. Next the Python. Yes, for same big data application, I'm using Python. So Python's path is added. Now this is Java home paths. Java home paths. One second. See here, putty paths. Put like this different paths here. Now we should add Java path also. To this Java also we should add it. There are different, yes, this path contains different software path. This is for Oracle, these two for Oracle. These are OS paths, all the OS paths, all the OS paths. Next, this is Tomcat server path, Tomcat server path. Okay, next, this is Scala path, Scala path, this is Python path, this is Putty path. Like this now Java path, new, click on new here. Yes, percentage Java, Java underscore home, Java underscore home. Yes, percentage, right? So percentage /bin, /bin. That's it. Okay, okay, okay. Completed. That's it. Over. Setup is done here. Setup is done. Okay. Yes, I'm repeating once again. That setup I'm repeating once again here. Once again. Okay. See. So how to install Java? Repeating once again. So first you place JDK. Okay. See. I'm deleting existing one. Yes. Okay. Existing one deletion. From this also we can do apps and features. Yes, apps and features. From this also you can uninstall Java. Apps and features. Yeah, Java. Here also you can. This is uninstall option. From this also, yes. I mean uninstalling. Yes, repeating topic once again. Repeating once again. Uninstalling. Yes, uninstall Java. Okay, next. Even variables also removing. Right, refresh, 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 refresh. Yes, command prompt, command prompt, command prompt. See Java C means Java is not found. Java not found. Don't have Java. Now repeating topic once again. So once again try to understand slowly. Generally anything I'll explain 2 times minimum. So C drive. So first JDK placed in the C drive. Here JDK placed in C drive. JDK placed in C drive. After double click now. JDK in C drive. Inside of C drive JDK. So place in the C drive. Double click. Double next yes. Double click next yes. Okay, see this. Next here this next. Next. See location. C drive program file Java JDK. Yes, go to that location. C drive. Program files. Open that program files. Yes, here. Don't have Java folder, right? Yes, IJM. Yes, here don't have Java folder. Okay. C drive program files, Java folder, JDK. Yes, here don't have Java folder. Okay. Now next, click on next. Click on next. Now it will generate Java folder here. Java folder. Yes, generated Java folder. See, 5:28 p.m. just now generated. 24:09 just now generated. Open that JDK. That JDK, right? JDK generated. JDK next here. GRE. JDK completed. Now showing for GRE. Same location. So click on next. Click on next. See GRE folder. GRE folder. Very simple. Double click. Next. Close. Over. Nothing. Double click. Next. Finish. Okay. Next. Nothing to change. Double click. Next. Close. Done. Same thing. Document also expand here. Yes. Place JDK C drive. Double click. Next close over. Next setting inner variables. Yes, Windows 10. Right click on this PC properties. Right click on this PC properties. Properties. Okay, once you selected properties here, yes, getting properties window. Okay, so this is properties window, but actually in your system you can see like this here. Properties window. This is properties window. You can see like this. This is properties window. In this advanced system settings, advanced system settings. So you can see this one. Advanced system settings. Advanced. Yes, advanced system settings. See this one. Okay, from this genuine variables, select this. Opens. Okay, see this document of same thing expansion. Same thing. User variables for M and RAW, system variables. There are two things in this. Okay, yes. Now here, so in this, so here user variables for M and RAW. This for only current login. System variables, system level. All users can use that Java. So go for system variables. I will recommend system variables. So as we are working, okay. Yes, as per our setup, yes, I'll recommend system variable. We are using system variables only here. Okay, because if it is system variable here, all languages can use. For every user separate Java not necessary. For every user separate Java not necessary. All languages can use. System level is system level. Okay. Yes, in this new. Click on new. Click on new. Yes, in this Java underscore home. Java underscore home. Java underscore home. Java underscore home. Next value. So variable name Java underscore home. So value. So what's a value? Yes, the location of Java. Java location. What is Java location? C drive. C drive program files. Program file Java folder. Here Jdk. Yes, in your system also same folder installing. Okay. So default location. Yes, at the time of installation it shows default location. C drive program files Java Jdk. So these are paths. Select this path. Okay, copy this path, take this path, copy this path, and paste here. Paste here. Okay, after click on OK. Click on OK. Click on OK. After next path. Okay, Java home, after Java home, next path. Okay, right? So this is Java home. See, if you want to see 1 second, edit here, this edit option. Edit. So Java home. Okay, right? See here. So this is Java home value, Java home value. This is Java home value. Java home. This value. So Java home variable and this value is like this. Okay, fine. Yes, now okay. After that, next path, go to path variable. Go to path variable. Yes, edit. See, don't delete paths. If you're deleting existing path, your OS also will not work. Don't delete path, it's dangerous. Don't delete path here. If you're deleting path, OS won't work. Don't try to delete. Edit. Yes, select the path here, path, select path, then edit. Select path, edit. Okay. Same thing it's in document here. See environment variables. Yes. Environment variables. Yes, environment variables. See this. New. In system variables, new. Yes, here. New system variable. Variable Java from value. This is same steps. Very clearly explained documents. Very clearly. Variable and value. So click on OK. Next path. Go to system variable, select a path variable. Select path variable, then edit. Path variable, then edit. Path, select path. This is a path. After path, next edit. Edit. Yes. After edit, here this is the new. Edit, then new. Yes, new. Click on new. Yes, here. Percentage Java underscore home. Percentage Java underscore home. Java underscore home. Yes, percentage backslash bin. Okay. Yes, what's the purpose of this? I'll tell just a minute. What's the meaning of this one? I'll explain just a minute. So what's the meaning of this? I'll explain just a minute. Yes. So right. So this is percentage Java underscore home percentage backslash bin. So click on OK. Next click on OK. Click on OK. Done. completed. So this is setting path. Look, after setting path, so Java installation and environment variable setup is done. So first part completed. Part one completed. This one completed. Step one completed. Step one completed. Now command prompt. Go to command prompt. Open a command prompt. At the command prompt, now write Java C. Yes, it's working. So previously command not found got it right. Previously command not found got it. Now it's working here. It's working. Java C. 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 It's working. Right. It's working. Okay. Yes. Java version. What's the version of Java? Java. Yes. Hyphen version. Java version. You can check the version. See. JDK 1.8. Java version. It's a 1.8. It's a 1.8 version. That's it. Okay. Same steps explain document also see this. Yes. So new, click on new. After click on new, so next go to here. So this is personal Java home person backslash bin. So click on OK. So click on OK, finish. Okay. So this is Linux setup. Linux, how to set up Java. This is Linux path. Linux will discuss next. I'll take separate class on Linux base. How to develop Java application Linux base. Java application Linux base. We'll see next. Wait. Okay. See, checking for Java installation and version. See this Java version. Java hyphen version. Java hyphen version. Command. Okay, right? Yes, fine. Okay. Yes. So this is right. Okay. So it's working fine. Java working fine. Yes. Now question is here. What's the purpose of path setting? Here question is what's the purpose of path setting here? So path setting. See this set. Set is a command to check the variable value. Set path right. CLS. Set. Set is a command. Here the command for set. Suppose Java underscore home. Java underscore home. Set Java underscore home. See this. Java home value equal to C drive program files Java Jdk 1.8 like this. The Jdk path Java home. Next set path. So path value equal to set path equal to see this. C drive program for this is first path up to semicolon is first path. So this path first path is a Oracle path. In my system Oracle installed. Oracle path. It's a Oracle path. See. Nothing but this one here. See this. Advanced system settings. Yes, invert variables. Yes, path. Edit. See this. This is Oracle path. See, first path. Up to semicolon is first path. So this is Oracle path. Next, this also Oracle path. Okay, Oracle path, right? That path, see that. Next path, like this. All these paths. All the paths, one by one added here. One by one software is added. One by one software is added. Okay. So these are all the paths. So first path, next software path like this, all the paths here. All the paths added one by one like this. Yes, your Java's path is this one here. So this is your Java path. Yes. How got this path here? How got this path here? Let us see how this path got it here. See. So percentage Java underscore home percentage right. Yes. For this purpose here, for this one here, percentage Java underscore home percentage. For this, it will take the Java home value. Okay, percentage. Okay, percentage Java underscore home percentage. This percentage to read the value of variable. To get the value of variable. What's the value of Java home here? So this is Java home value. So this is Java home value, right? So this is Java home value. So Java home value placing here after that backslash bin. Software backslash bin. So in place of this one, this is a value. Java home equal to this value, right? So in place of Java home here, it comes. This one comes. So finally path value becomes like this, including bin. Backslash bin, including bin. Finally path becomes like this. That's it here. Finally path becomes like this. Okay. See here. C drive program files Java JDK /bin, right? That's it. Now here. Once you submitted any command, XYZ command not found, right? Why this showing here? See, looking for XYZ command at this location, first of all. Looking for XYZ at the first path. See, this is first path, right? First path. See, I'm taking first, this is first path. So this is first path. Okay. See, at this path here, yes, let me check it. Yes, see this at this part. See here, the XYZ is not found, right? XYZ is not available. So error message XYZ. Yes, the first path. Checking for the first path. Yet first path not available. If not available, looking at the second path. Yes, up to semicolon next path. So next path. So top to bottom in all the paths looking for XYZ. The XYZ nowhere found. Nowhere found. Command not found. Nowhere found. Not found. Now Java C. Yes, is working. Java C. Once you submitted Java C, it's working. Yes, Java C. Now we is looking for Java C at this path. At this path, Java C is not available. At this path is not available. Like this top to bottom, all the paths, all the paths. Okay. Yes, at this path. At this path. C drive program for Java JDK at this path. Yes, at this path. At this path. See at this path. At this path is Java path. Java bin, right? Java path. So at this path. See at this path. See this. Java C. Here is our. Okay. C drive. Become files. Java folder. JDK folder. In this is a bin. So this is a path, right? Yes. At this path. See this is a path. At this path, Java C is available. Java compile. Java C means what? Java compiler. At this path, Java compile is available. At this path, Java compile is available. At this path, Java compile is available. Okay, right? Yes. Now what happens here? Once you submit a request like this, Java C. Yes, Java C, CLS, Java C. Yes, Java C. Now we is looking for Java C at different locations, different locations, different locations. Finally, on select, on select. On picking then execution. It picks from that location that they simply execution. That's it. So what's the purpose of path setting? What's the purpose of path setting? To identify the location of Java. Okay, what's the purpose of path setting? Yes, ways has to identify the location of Java. So ways is to identify the location of Java. Yes, you have to set the path. That's it. This is purpose of path setting. This purpose of path setting. This is same question explain document also. See, what is purpose of Java path setting? What is purpose of Java path setting? Yes, answer. Yes, operating system to identify the location of Java. Yes, ways. Ways has to identify the location of Java. Answer is that. So this is Java installation is done. Okay. So this is interview question. What's the purpose of Java path setting? What's the purpose of Java path setting? Yes, operating system to identify location of Java. Just identifying. 1 second. Let me have some water. Yes. So what's the purpose of path setting? Yes. Ways to identify the location of Java. Ways is to identify the location of Java. Identifying location of Java path setting requires the purpose of path setting. Okay, fine. Okay, so done. Java installation system. So these are the steps in this. They are the steps. Just to follow the document steps. Even recording also you can follow. This recording, today already recording here. So that recording you can follow. Okay, next document. Okay, with the help of recording and document, you can set up Java. Still facing issue, just you can ping me. I'll help you. Okay, ping me in WhatsApp. Yes, in WhatsApp group. So just you ping me or else ping me personally. I can help you. 100% I can help you. Okay, I can help you in setup. Okay, but don't neglect setup and practice. Okay, so the other steps. You can follow documents. You can follow recording. With the help of both of this setup, finish this setup here. Still facing issue, just you can ask me. I will connect your system. I'll guide you. Okay, fine. That's it. Okay. So next is Eclipse. Eclipse setup. How to set up the Eclipse? Eclipse. Let me close all this. Okay. 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 Yes, Eclipse. How to set up the Eclipse here? How to set up the Eclipse? Eclipse setup. C drive. Yes, same. Eclipse also placed in the C drive. Eclipse. So this Eclipse, right? Eclipse. Eclipse placed in the C drive. Yes, Eclipse. So this Eclipse is a zip file. See, Java JDK is installer. JDK install is application means installer. Double click, next, finish. JDK is application means installer. Double click, you have to double click, next, finish. You have to install it. But Eclipse, simple. It's a zip file. It's a zip. Just right click extract here. Right click extract here. 1 second. Already Eclipse folder is there. Let me remove that existing folder. Deleting that existing folder. Yes, refresh. Yes, remote here. Yes, now here. So Eclipse, right click here. Right click. Yes, place Eclipse also in C drive. Place in C drive. Yes, not in C drive. From D drive also you can set up, no issue. D drive also. Yes, space is always C drive you can use. Otherwise go for D drive. Depends on space availability. Okay, I'll recommend C drive. Okay, C drive is for the softwares. D drive for the personal files, backup files. Okay, maybe Java files or your person, all of those things you can use D drive. Yes, go for C drive. I'll recommend C drive for the softwares. So JDK, after JDK, Eclipse, right click, extract here, right, say yes. Right click, extract here, say yes. Now extracting, see this. Extracting. Yes, that WinRAR software. Yes, WinRAR software will extract it. WinRAR software extracting here. See this Eclipse folder got it, right? Eclipse folder got it. Eclipse folder. Okay. Yes, refresh. Refresh. See Eclipse folder here, right? Eclipse folder. After getting this one here, this Eclipse icon. Now this one send to desktop. Right click, send to desktop. Create shortcut. Send to desktop. Send to desktop. Okay. Now go to desktop. At desktop you can see Eclipse shortcut. Yes, already one shortcut is a second shortcut created. Let me delete and repeating once. Refresh. Refresh. See Eclipse folder. Okay. Yes. Eclipse folder. Open Eclipse folder. Okay. See first right click extract here. Right click extract here. Right click extract here. Extract here. Once extracted, you can see Eclipse folder. So these are folder. But open that folder. Here this Eclipse icon. Eclipse icon. Right click, send to desktop. Send to desktop. Create shortcut on desktop. Now go to desktop. So shortcut here, right? Shortcut. Yes, shortcut. Shortcut, right? Okay. Shortcut. So got it. Right? 1 second. Same steps explain document here. Eclipse setup. Take the Eclipse zip archive file, place in the C drive, right click extract here, open Eclipse folder. Yes, right click on that Eclipse icon. 1 second, Eclipse icon. Yes, send to desktop, create shortcut on desktop. Right? Here. Yes. So Eclipse setup is done. Simple, very simple. Right click extract here. Right click extract here. After extracting here, yes, right click extract here, open Eclipse folder. Here is Eclipse icon. Right click, send to desktop, create shortcut on desktop. Send to desktop, create shortcuts. Okay, after that, yes, how to start working with this. Okay, yes, this setup is done. Over. Now steps to develop Java application. So using Eclipse ID. So steps. See, Eclipse is the IDE. So Eclipse, yes, Eclipse is an IDE. It's an IDE. Yes, what is IDE? IDE stands for integrated. IDE stands for integrated development. Integrated development environment here. IDE stands for integrated development environment. Integrated development environment. ID stands for integrated development environment. So integration is linking. Okay, all the Java software linked with Eclipse already here. So default on starting Eclipse automatically it will link. So Java software default linking with Eclipse automatically. Yes, Eclipse is an IDE, integrated development environment. So how to use this Eclipse? Okay. Now steps to develop Java application in Eclipse. So how to develop? Okay. Yes, first step is yes, create. First step is create workspace. Create workspace. Second step is yes, create. Yes, create workspace. First create workspace. Yes, next step is create project. Yes, create projects. Create projects. Create projects. Third step is yes, create. Yes, create package. Just to create package. So create package. Third step, create package. Okay. Fourth step, yes, create. Yes, create. Yes, create class. Create class. Fifth step is yes, create a methods. Yes, create a methods. Create a methods. Create a methods. So these are the 5 steps. 5 steps, but very simple steps. They are very simple. Matter of 5 minutes only. Very simple. All the steps are very simple. Create workspace, create projects, yes, create package, create a class, and create a methods. Create a methods. Okay, these are the 5 steps. Just to follow 5 steps. So first create workspace. How to create workspace? Let us see. Creating workspace. Creating workspace. So how to create workspace? Creating workspace. For this, first launch Eclipse. Creating workspace. So you can go to desktop here. Eclipse launcher, right? Shortcut launcher, launching Eclipse. Double click and launch it. Launch it. It's launching Eclipse. It's launching Eclipse. Just launched. See workspace. See the workspace. See workspace default location C drive users MN, right? The user location. Yes, C drive users MN row. Don't go for this location. Change location. Change. See, this is workspace name. This is default location. Don't go for this. Change location. Suppose location, for example, D drive. Yes, D drive test folder. This is test folder. Just create one folder. Instead of D drive, create your own folder. Some test folder. Test folder, right? In D drive, just create your own folder. Okay. Just create this D drive test. Like this test, whatever you want, any folder. Just create your own folder. Suppose I want at this location. Okay, in D drive I want D drive. In D drive test folder I want at this location. I want at this location. Oh, no, browse for that location. Browse. Okay, this is the browse. Browse option. Browse. Browse for D drive. Browse for D drive. This PC. This PC. Okay, in this is a D drive. D drive. Browse for D drive. D drive. Yes, in D drive test folder. Test folder. Yes. A test folder here it's available. Test. Oh, select this. Okay. Data test folder. At this folder now workspace. Suppose name of workspace sample. Sample workspace. Sample WS. Sample WS. Use like this. Sample WS. Sample workspace. It's a sample workspace. Sample WS. WS means workspace. WS means workspace. See this. Okay. See this. Sample WS. See this. See this is looking like a folder, right? WS means workspace folder. Workspace folder. Suppose if you given simple sample shows like this. Sample is a regular folder, right? Yes, workspace folder, regular folder. So how to differentiate, how to identify that workspace folder, so WS. For that purpose, at the end WS given. So without WS also working here. Without WS also will work here. Why WS? Only to identify the workspace folder. See, this regular folder and workspace folder. So don't care WS means no difference. Looks like a regular folder. If no WS, that looks like a regular folder, right? So only to identify that WS. It's a standard project coding standards, project standards WS. Okay. See Eclipse open. See this Eclipse open already. Maximize, maximize. Here there's a welcome skin. Close welcome skin. Close welcome skin. Here. Yes, you can adjust this. Is Eclipse. These frames you can adjust. As per convenient here, you can adjust these frames. See, like this you can adjust it. So place here, you can adjust like this. You can adjust it. You can adjust, right? You can adjust like this. Okay. So workspace created. Workspace create workspace. This step is completed. This step completed. Next, create a project. Next step is create a project. So create a project. Create a project. How to create a project? Create a project. Yes, here. Project Explorer, right? Yes, here. Right click here. Right click in it. See, don't right click here. So there's a close off. Don't close. Don't close. If you closing the project, it removes. The project Explorer removes. Don't close it. Don't close it. Don't close. Yes, right click here, right click here, right click new. Here you can see. So right click. This here right click here, new projects, new projects, new projects. Yes, here Java projects. Select Java projects. Select Java projects. Select Java projects. Then click on next. Click on next. So after click on next, project name. Next project name. Suppose project name is test is a project name. Yes, what's location? See that workspace location. D drive test folder sample test right test projects. Correct? Yes, use the execution environment 1.8. See directly showing 1.8. How? How it's showing what's reason behind us? How it's showing 1.8 directly? Reason here is in my system JDK 1.8 installs and Java home path is set to 1.8. So because of Java underscore home, Java underscore home. See this. The Java home variable. Set this path. Set this path, right? What happens here? At the time of launching Eclipse. Yes, at the time of launching Eclipse. See, double click launching, right? Double click launching. So at the time of launching, at the time of launching, at the time of launching Eclipse, what happens here? Eclipse goes to Java home folder. Eclipse simply goes to Java home folder and picking JDK 8 and links with this. At the time of starting, at the time of launching Eclipse here, Eclipse looking for Java home variable. Yes, Java home. Yes, go to Java home path, that path. What is that path here? Yes, that path, right? This is a path. Yes, it goes to Java home path location. From there, picking JDK 1.8, picking this software and links with this, linking with this, right? Linking. That's the reason 1.8 showing here. So this is because of Java home, variable. So 1.8 showing 1.8. Okay, so this version depends on Java home value. After next finish. Say yes. Right? Yes, project created. See, open the project. See this. GRE system library. Yes, linked. Okay, so Eclipse. Yes, it has linked, right? Yes, they are Java software, Java library linked to our projects. The project is ready. So project created. After creating projects, what is next step? Workspace is done, project is done. Next, create a package. So how to create a package? Creating a package. So what is package? I'll explain just 1 minute. Let me close that. Yes, create a package. Yes, right click on SRC. What is package? I'll explain. What is package? Tomorrow class getting package, about package. See SRC. Go to SRC. Right click on SRC. New, that package name. New package name. Okay, see. Right click on SRC. New package name. Yes, com dash. Yes, package. How is the package name? How to choose the package name? That's the package name. Creating a package. So next, creating a package. How to choose name of the package? Okay. Yes, name of the package. See, name of the package. Should be in lowercase. Name of the package should be in lowercase. Yes. Starting with com, either com or org. Starting with either com or org. So com dot or org dot. Okay, com dot client name. Com dot client name. Okay, dot com dot client name dot. Okay, next project name. So what's a project name? Okay, that project name. Okay, project name. Yes, project name dot next module name. Yes, dot next module name. So what's a module name? Okay, module name. That 4 levels. Com dot client name dot project name dot module here. Com means company. War means organization. Organization. Company means profit based is a company. Organization is non-profit based. Company profit based. Organization is non-profit. Okay. Company all are employees. In organization all are volunteers. So company is a profit based, profit oriented. Organized is service oriented. Okay. Yes, no profits, nothing, no employees. For organized, no employees, all are volunteers. So volunteers working for this. Okay. So com dot, for example, here com dot, this one. So for example, yes, com dot client name dot project name dot module. Yes, even for ORG are same. Okay. Yes. No, for example, here, for example, is com dot client name. Suppose, for example, I'm working for PayPal client name, dot project name is payment gateway. Yes, payment. Yes, payment gateway. Payment gateway, right? Payment gateway. Okay. So com dot PayPal dot payment gateway dot. So first one is com. This is client name. Client is different, payroll is different here. Client is different, payroll company is different. Okay. Yes. So this is client name. This is project name. And then module. Suppose pay module or receive module or update module. There are different modules in that project here. Pay module. Like this. So this is writing package. Writing package. Okay. Yes. This is as per coding standards. Com dot suppose Durga. So I'm using here Durga name. So Durga. For Durga, I'm taking classes. So com dot Durga. Dot my name, just my name. Okay, I'm in a dot. So test package. That's it. Okay, that's it. So finish. So this is creating package. This is creating package. Com dot Durga dot mn dot test. So 4 levels. In real time, actually 4 levels required. In real time, compulsory 4 levels. Com dot client name dot project name dot module. Okay. Suppose if you're creating simply package like this new package, but just ABC without in just ABC. That is also correct. Working. Yes, ABC. Like this also you can create package. Okay. But that is not recommended. That is not recommended. Delete. That is not recommended. So package created. Package created, right? Package created. Done. After creating package, so what is next? Create a class. So next, fourth one, create a class. Create a class. So create a class. So how to create a class? Same, right click on the package. Right click on package new. See, project creation. Right click on this a new project, right? Yes. Next, open SRC. Yes, here right click on SRC, new package, right? Package created. Yes, go to package. On package, same every step. Right click, new. If you want projects. If you want package. Now class required. Class. Yes, class name is, let's say, test TCAPS. Class name. Class name always starts with uppercase alphabet. Class name always starts with uppercase alphabet. Class name always starts with uppercase alphabet. TCAPS. So finish. Created. The test.java for test.java test class created. So test.java file. So test class name test, right? Now this font size. Yes, we should change the font size. Font size setting here. So for this right click, font setting, right click, preferences, general, yes, appearance, colors and fonts. Open general, next appearance, colors and fonts. See this. Yes, this CRM is can be expandable. Yes, expand. You can see expandable appearance, colors and fonts. Once you cancel. See, changing fonts is right click here, preferences, general, appearance, colors, fonts. Yes, here, Java. Select Java editor text font. Select this. Java editor text font. Select this. Java editor text font. Yes, edit font name. Yes, this okay enough. Leave this one here. Same this one. As this font style. Go for bold. Bold means thick letter you can see clearly. Clear visibility. Go for bold. Okay. Next size 18. That depends on your comfortable. So I'm comfortable with 18 here. 18. I'll recommend 18 here. So 18. Say okay. Yes. Apply. See the change, right? Then okay, finally that's it. So this is changing font size. Okay. Next main methods. Public. Yes, public. Writing main methods. Public. Yes, static void main. Public static void main. open bracket, string s caps, string square bracket ox, string square bracket ox. Okay, that's it. Open brace. See, open brace. Starting ending of the class. See, in Eclipse, double click. So starting point, ending point. So this is starting point. This is ending point. Starting point, ending point. Starting point, ending point. Okay, right? Yes, main starting, ending here. So main starting, ending. Main starting, ending. Okay. So class starting, ending. So main starting, ending. Yes, in this main here. Now connect system dot system dot yes out dot println yes println yes this hello world hello hello world after semicolon control yes save it control yes save it control yes save it okay save it right yes or else here is save option save here is save option save it you can save from this option from this also you can save it save it save it. Look after saving. Now we should run it. Right click, run as Java application. Right click, run as Java application. Yes. Hello world, right? Yeah, this font size also you can change. This font size also you can change. How? Simply right click, right click. Yes, preferences same. That preferences same general appearance corresponds. Yes, here go to basic, not Java. Go to basic. Go to basic. Here this is a text font. Here this is a text font. Okay. Yes, here this is text font. Basic. Here this is a text font. Text font. Yes, edit. Edit text font. Same font name. Fonts same bold size. 16 is okay in output. Okay. Apply. Okay. Done. See that. Okay. See here to run this right click run as Java application. That's it. So these are the steps. Done. Yes, create a class. After creating class, next method, right? Method. Main method created. Inside the class, main method created. That's it. Other methods how to create we'll see next. Other methods we'll see next. So these are the steps. See, I'm repeating all the steps. So steps to develop Java application in Eclipse. What are steps? Yes. Let me repeat all the steps. File exit. Go to file menu, hit this exit. Close that Eclipse. Closed. Okay, close, right? Yes. Now here. So first is Java installation, Eclipse install done already completed just now. Java installation completed, Eclipse installation completed. Often yes, these all these steps are the document here. See, in document every step very clear, which as we discussed now today here. So today, from the beginning we discussed about this today topic. Today topic installing Java and paths same. What we discussed same thing prepared in documents. Just to follow these steps. Same this document my experience same. Okay, same as this. Okay, same what we discussed now. Same thing it's there in document. Just to follow document here. Follow document here. Follow the document. Next recording arts you can follow. Recording arts, recording document both you can follow. So with the help of this install it. Installing. Okay, after installing. Okay. Yes, path setup and all this. Next, Eclipse setup. Same the steps. So working with Eclipse IDE series. Yes, 5 steps. Create workspace, project, package, class, and method. So first creating workspace. Creating workspace series. Launching Eclipse. First launching Eclipse, right? We should launch Eclipse. Launching Eclipse. See workspace, right? See workspace. Just now created. Now it opens already existing workspace. Already we have created. That existing workspace opens. Existing workspace opens. No, I don't want this location. I want to change my location. Now I want to change location. Okay, what's the location? Data test, right? No, I don't want this one here. I want to change location. Simply, suppose for example, I want C drive. In C drive project folder, here this MN Rao. This folder I want. This one I want. Okay, so this one I want. C drive project MN Rao. This location, at this location, I want to create workspace. C drive Project folder MN Rao. At this location, I want to create workspace. At this location. How? Yes, now browse. Browse for that look. Browse. Same like a repeat, same. Okay, same what we discussed previously. Same thing repeating. Browse, browse, C drive, open C drive. In C drive, project drive, project folder, open project folder. Here you can see MN Rao. C drive, project MN Rao. Select this. Okay. See this, the path select, right? Path. Go to end of the path, backslash, workspace name. Suppose test WS is a workspace name. Test WS. WS means workspace. Okay, see, up to MN Drive is a path, location of workspace. Test WS is a workspace name. You must give workspace name. You must give workspace name. Test WS. Test WS. Then, okay. Yes, opening. See, test WS, that workspace created. Workspace created. Okay. Workspace created. Yes, Eclipse launched. Okay. Expand it. So what is next? Yes, close welcome screen. Close welcome screen. So next one, projects. Project Explorer. Yes, you can adjust this one here. The frames you can adjust. Okay. So workspace is done, right? Workspace is over. Next workspace complete. This part completed. Next part, create a project. Create a project. Just create a project. Create a project. Yes, right click here. New project, right? Right click new projects. Right click new projects. New projects, Java, right? Java project. Select Java projects. Click on next. Click on next. See project name. Suppose sample is a project name. Sample is a project name. Sample is a project name. Yes, any name. Okay, that project name. Okay, yes. Use execution environment 1.8 automatically select, right? Why reason? Java home. Java home is set to 1.8. The Java home is set to 1.8. So automatic this, right? Java 1.8. So finish, next finish. Finish. Yes, say yes. Created, project created, project created. See this. Create a project, created. So workspace is done, project is done, right? Next, create a package. So create a package. Create a package. See workspace completed, project completed. Next what? Package. Create a package. So name of the package should be lowercase. Name of the package should be lowercase. Lowercase. So how to choose package name? Choose package name. Com dot client name dot project dot module name. That's it. Yes, for example, com means company. Yes, PayPal, my client. Okay. Yes, next payment gateway. Yes, right. Next pay. Okay. Yes. 1 second. Someone is asking. Yes, no time limits. No time limits. Okay. Yes, no worry. Okay. So this is package name here. So package name here. See. Open this. Open this. Open the project. SRC. Go to SRC. Go to SRC. Go to SRC. Right click on SRC. New package. New package. New package. Yes, com dot. Yes, Durga dot. Durga dot. MN dot. Suppose package ABC pack. Some ABC package. So finish. Created. Package created. Package created. Done. So package created. Next, create a class. Create a class. Create a class. Create a class. Right click on package. Right click on package. New class. New class. Okay. See, right click on package, new class. Next class. Class. Suppose class name is sample. Sample class. Class name is sample. So whatever class name you want, you can write. Sample class or employee class, student class, those things. Okay. Sample class. Yes, caps. Yes. Class name starting with uppercase alphabet. Class name. Class name starting with uppercase alphabet. Uppercase alphabet. So then finish, right? Finish. The class created. Class created. See this font size. Yes, again small font size. Reason workspace changed. New workspace is new workspace. Suppose old workspace means same getting same that font here. It's a new workspace. It's new workspace. So you have to set the font again. It's new workspace. Okay. Yes, right click here. Right click here. Preferences. Right click preferences. Right click preferences. General appearance, colors and fonts. General appearance, colors and fonts. Yes, go to Java. Java. Yes, here. Java editor text fonts. Java editor text font. Java editor text font. Edit. Edit. Yes. Font name leave as is. Fonts go for bold. Bold, clear visibility. Or clear visible this is. Okay, bold with thick letters, you can visibility. Go for bold. So next size 18 is okay. 18 is enough. So okay. Apply. Applied. Then okay. See that. Now here main method, right? Main method. 1 second. So next class completed, right? The class completed. Next main method. Now we'll start with main method. Other methods we'll see next. Now start with the main method. See public static void main. Not necessary. Simply main. Type main. Just type main keyword. Just type main keyword. Main keyword. Control space bar. Hold and control the space bar. Control space bar. Control space bar. Hold and control the space bar. Yes. See that? Down arrow key can see main that. Up arrow key, down arrow key. Up arrow key. Down here main right. See escape. Escape means cancel operation. Escape means cancelling operation. Now control space bar. Control space bar. You can see down arrow key. Up arrow key. Which option you want you can select. Yes, see. Some unexpected window open here. That gets cancelled. Escape key cancel. In software simple. If you're getting any unexpected windows, unexpected things here, escape key. Escape means cancel. Use escape, cancel that operation. Now control space main. After main control space bar. Okay, see this. First option, next option, next option. Yes, we need first one, right? Main method. First one main method. So main method, right? First one main method. Escape key cancel. Control space bar. See, first one automatic selected. First option selected, then enter create. That's it. Over. Next what? System.out.println. System.out.println. Syswo. This is also shortcut. Syswo. System.out.println. Syswo shortcut. Control space bar. Hold on control the space bar. Yes. Space bar. Then enter create. Yes, in this. Hello. Hello world. Hello world. Hello world. Yes. Save it. Here is save. Save button. Save here. Or else control yes. See, Eclipse is working like a notepad. See, Control A select all. Control A select all. Control X delete it. Control Z undo. Same like a notepad. Notepad. Okay. Now how to run this? Right click. Right click. Run as Java application. Right click. Run as Java application. Yes. Hello world. Right. Hello world. Hello world. Hello world. Now these font sizes we can change. Output font size. So right click. Same that preferences, general, appearance, colors font same. All this process same. Only the thing is difference. In place of Java, we use basic font, basic text font, basic text fonts, basic text fonts, basic text font. Edit. Yes, font name same here. Yes, font style bold, size 16. Yes, okay. Apply. Okay, done. It's complete. Suppose I want one more statement, add one more syswo, control space bar, enter key. Yes, within double quotation, hello. Yes, welcome to Java world. So welcome to Java world. Welcome to Java world. Welcome to Java world. Hit this save button. Or else, yes, control yes is to save. Like a notepad, all these things. Control yes save. Right click. Run as Java application series. Hello world, welcome to Java. So this is that steps. Suppose I want one more project. So how to create so sample project done. In same workspace, you can create one more project. Same workspace, one more project. Right click, new Java projects. Yes, projects, new project, already Java project showing that. Java project string. Directly you can select this Java projects. Support test projects. See selected automatically, then finish. Test project created. Open the test projects. Go to SRC. What is next? Package. Project then package. Right click on SRC. New package. Yes, package name com dot. Yes, Durga dot, yes, mn dot, some explicit package. So finish, package created. After creating package, next for class. Okay, So create a class, package completed, package, class, next method, class. Right click on package, new class, Class name, suppose class name is testiciped, class name, T caps, uppercase. Class name start with uppercase alphabet. Yes, class name should be start with uppercase alphabet. Reason, tomorrow class. In tomorrow class, I'll explain the reason. Why class name is uppercase alphabet, tomorrow class I'll explain. So next, finish. Yes. Test the class created, right? Test the class created. Test class created. Yes, place the cuts inside the class, right? See that font is automatically getting right because already setting is done. Already setting is over, so getting same font. Okay. Now main methods. Type main. Control space bar. So control space bar. Enter key. So got the main method, right? Yes. Next, system.out.syswo control space bar. Control space bar. Enter key. Yes. Within double quotation. So whatever you want. Suppose welcome. Welcome to. Yes. Welcome to Durgasoft. Welcome to Durgasoft. Welcome to Durgasoft. Welcome to Durgasoft, right? Yes. Control yes. Save it. Control yes. Or else save button you can use here. Okay. Control yes or save button you can use. Save button. Okay, after that, now right click, run it here. Yes, right click on this main method here. Okay, right click here, run as Java application series. Welcome to Durgasoft. Okay, so this creating, yes, another project. Suppose one more project. Right click, new projects. So what? Yes, Java projects. Java projects. So project name is demo or MN Rao. Okay, I'll give my name MN Rao. So 1.8. Next finish. MN Rao project. Yes, in this SRC. Go to SRC. Right click on next package. Right after project package, new package. Package name com dot. Yes, Durga dot. Yes, MN dot. Yes, support demo. That's name. From demo package. Finish. Okay. Yes, after creation of package, next one class. Same steps. Right click, new class. Yes, class. Sorry. Right click, new class. Class. Yes, class name. Suppose class name is, for example, here demo class. Class name is demo. Demo class. Open that. Demo, right? Demo. Yes, this main. Main. Control spacebar. Control spacebar. Enter key. Enter key. Next system.out.syswo control spacebar. Enter key, right? Yes, in this. Hello. Hello world. Hello world. Hello world. Yes, control yes, save it. Control yes, save it. Control yes, save it. After right click, now run it. Run as hello. So these are the steps in this. Step by step. Correct? Yes, miss. What is public? What is class? What is demo? See, this is sample. This test class on demo class. Different kind of things, right? Okay, in this, yes, here, what is public? What is class? What is test? What is public? What is static? What is void? Main things. So these topics will discuss. One by one discuss. Just tomorrow class. Okay. Yes. See, suppose semicolon. Yes, error message. So what is happening here? Behind of Eclipse, yes, compiling this program automatically compiling. See this error message, place the pointer here, syntax error, insert semicolon to complete block statement, semicolon, right? Suppose here, brace missing. Okay, here error message. Place the cursor, you can see that error, syntax error, insert brace to complete class body, insert brace, right? Brace inserted. So automatically compiler, it's compiling. Behind of Eclipse, compiler working. Behind of Eclipse, compiler working, right? Right click run as. Now behind of JVM working. So compiler JVM behind of Eclipse working automatically. Yes, to understand that, yes, we'll go for manual development. Okay. Yes, daily class using Eclipse only. In Eclipse only I will explain. Yes, we'll go one example for the manual development using Notepad. Using Notepad, developing Java program, using Eclipse, writing Java program, compilation manually, then the execution manually. Now this case Eclipse takes care of everything. Eclipse Eclipse compilation process and running. Everything Eclipse takes care of everything here. Okay. Yes, same thing, manual development. Yes, if we writing code manual, then yes, easy to understand. Yes, we'll go for one example. Yes, we'll go for one example. Daily work with Eclipse. Don't go for notepads. Don't use manual developments. So go for Eclipse only. Yes, daily expanding Eclipse. So for understanding purpose, we'll see one example. Okay. In notepads, how to write the Java program, how to compile, how to run. The topic tomorrow class. Tomorrow class. Next, these things. Every point. What is public? What is class? What is test? So these all these topics tomorrow will continue. Okay. But that's all for today. Yes. Any doubts? Any doubts, guys? I hope everyone you understand clearly. Yes. Almost 4 times repeated. Same topic today. Repeat for 4 times. Okay. Yes. Just go through the recording, watch the recording, next document. With the help of recording and documents, try to set up. Still facing issue, just you can ping me. You can ping me, I will help you. I'll connect your computer. I'll make you to set up. I'll make you to set up. Okay? Yeah. That's all. If no doubts, let us wind up session. Tomorrow also same link. Yes, I think Monday link will be changing. Tomorrow also same link, same time. Same time, 5 o'clock, same link. So Monday link will be changing. Tomorrow same link, same time, 5 o'clock. Yeah, that's all. Any doubts? Still any doubts? Yes, no doubts, right? Yeah. So thank you guys. Thank you. Yes, we'll continue tomorrow. We'll continue tomorrow. So Monday to Saturday classes. Only Sunday holiday. Sunday holiday. Monday to Saturday classes. Okay. Yeah. So by tomorrow, try to finish this setup. Okay. By tomorrow class, try to finish this Eclipse setup. Okay. Software, Java installation, Eclipse setup. Try to finish. Still facing issue. Still facing issue. Just you can ping me anytime tomorrow. I can help you. Right? Yeah. So thank you. Yes. See you tomorrow. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow.